Hey guys, so this is a quick video for you on how you can fix if your Coinbase 2FA is not working. This is something I found on Reddit, maybe it's going to help you. When this kind of error happens, it is usually because your clock or time zone is off by more than 30 seconds. Try double check it is properly synchronized, both the time zone and your phone clock. Someone wrote here, thanks mate, that was the problem. On my mobile it was a 1 minute difference. Set the time on automatic and it's solved. So try to set the phone on automatic, maybe because of that it will help now. So thank you very much for watching. And of course, make sure you're connected to the internet when using Authenticator. And have a great day and goodbye.